One day Denis Diderot received a nice red gown from a close friend. He put the elegant gown in his study. From then on, there was a problem. As time went by, the study with the gown in his eyes began to look too old and shabby. Then he began to replace the intact things in his study with new ones one by one. The desk, chair, bookcase, watch, and even wall hangings have been turned into high-end items that match the gown. In the end, an elegant red gown changed everything. Ironically, however, he suffered from depression because of his new study. It was because the study, which was cluttered but stable, suddenly turned into a hard and heterogeneous one. This is known as the Diderot effect. In short, it means that if you have one thing, you will continue to buy other things that fit it. This can be applied not only to consumer behavior, but also to business, relationships, and all other situations. If you do one of the useless things like Diderot, who wasted energy replacing everything in the study because of a single gown and was depressed, you'd end up doing a series of other useless things related to it, and you would forget what the essence of it really is. You need the wisdom to take a look at yourself. What is the essence of what you're focusing on? What's the point of blurring the essence? What's the point of not being able to do it?